Welcome back to the channel, you beautiful people. I see you down there. Today we're talking about presets. Some people love them, some people hate them, some people think it's sacrilege to use them. In my opinion, use them. Why not? You're supporting other artists by paying for their presets. You can also use them to learn from what they've done. You can look through the settings and their presets, work your way back to find out exactly how they got to the final product. You can also make your own presets, which is great. You can apply your presets on import of your photos to Lightroom. And don't forget, you can sell your presets as well. I should probably do that. I'm going to do that. I'll show you how to export them for sale. So let's get into it. So first of all, let's go over how you're going to import presets. If you don't want to pay for presets, you could always use this website here, Free Lightroom Presets. Sex Magic. Oh, we have to have this one. Sex Magic. Sex Magic. It will show you examples of the preset being used on other people's images, and then down the bottom you'll get free download. Now we just need to unzip the file, and there it is, the XMP file that we're going to be importing into Lightroom. Let's jump back into Lightroom. Click on the plus sign beside presets, hit import presets, and we're going to find our preset file. Simply click on it, press import, and there you go, your preset's imported, ready to use. It'll even give you a little preview of the preset on your image. If you don't want the preset shown up, simply go into manage presets and untick it from the list. Now, as I mentioned before, we can also create our own presets, which makes it a lot easier going forward for editing. If you have a preset you really like and you know it works on cars or landscapes, etc., you can simply save that as a preset, and every time you import that style of photo, simply apply that preset to it. Easy. It's almost like they planned it. So let's hit create preset. And you can see we have a tick list of everything that we want to include in the preset, the exposure, the contrast, everything you can think of. Let's give it a title. Another original one, let's call it Mark Preset. And then let's go ahead and press create. And there we have it, we've created a preset ready to use whenever we need it. Now if we right click on our preset, we have another few options, and let's go over those. So first of all, we can apply on import, which means that every photo we import into Lightroom will pick up this preset as it is imported. I wouldn't suggest doing this with in-depth presets, but a general preset where you're going to auto the exposure or something like that might be quite handy. If you want to play around with the preset and update it and change different things as you go along, you can also hit update with current settings, which is quite handy. And last but not least, we can export our preset. So if you wanted to sell your preset or give it to a friend to test out, this is the way to do it. Simply right click, hit export, make sure the preset's named, select your location of where you want it to export, and then hit save. And there you have it, you've got an exported preset, sell it on Sellfy or give it away for free, I don't care. I don't know, who cares? Do what you want to do, it's your life. And that's it for today folks, another quick tutorial. Remember to get out there and show them your stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.